So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our CADJPY. So first thing first, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, starting with the trend on our CADJPY, it is very clear when you go to your daily time frame, right? You will see that the overall movement on CADJPY is an uptrend move. This is your overall movement. Now, this is it right here. If in case you do not understand, this is your eye. You know, there's a series of higher high and higher low that eventually made it to form this yield movement. Here comes the pullback, which is the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low, right? Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high. This is the higher low. So this is your higher low right here. Market has pulled back to form an higher low. So with such a movement, we should expect market to continue that bullish move. It is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our CADJPY. So anticipate for movement, a bullish move to the upside. That is what we should be expecting on our CADJPY. So expect a bullish move on our CADJPY. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So this is what is a massive sell. This is this is fast that JPY actually gains some strength. So this is one of the reasons why pair like GBP JPY, USD JPY literally dropped massively, right? Because JPY literally gained strength, went up. Now market has now come back to test it. It pushed up. It has now come back to test. So if market has now pushed up, so there's a possibility that market will push up to take out this neckline, which is what I'll be looking out for. If it takes out the neckline, then we can expect it to push further out. But if it does not do that and it drop, expect it to just retest it and then push up again. Above all, a bullish move is still what we'll be expecting. All we just need to do is look for the buy setup on the CADJPY. So once you get the buy setup, go in for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for them to miss out on the updates.